Yoga is disciplined bad company's physical exercise, breathing techniques, and meditation to promote holistic well-being. It aims to unite body, mind, and spirit, fostering balance, flexibility, and inner peace. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you do yoga every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Heart power. Yoga offers numerous benefits for heart health. Regular practice can help reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation, which are key factor in preventing heart disease. Yoga postures, combined with control, breathing techniques, promote relaxation and decrease the production of stress hormones, thereby reducing strain on the heart. Additionally, yoga emphasis on physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of obesity, a major contributor to heart problems. Overall, yoga supports heart health through a holistic approach to wellness. Boost energy level. Yoga can boost energy levels by improving circulation, reducing stress and anxiety, improving sleep quality, and increasing mindfulness. Yoga poses, such as bridge pose, cobra pose, and downward-facing dog pose, help to unblock the flow of prana or life force energy in the body. Yoga also helps to calm the mind and enhance the mood. 12. Yoga for weight loss. Yoga can be an effective tool for weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Dynamic yoga style like Vinay Shah or power yoga can elevate heart rate and burn calories, aiding in fat loss. Additionally, yoga promotes mindfulness and stress reduction, which can prevent emotional eating and support weight management. Certain yoga poses, such as plank, earlier, and boat, engage core muscles and promote strength and toning, contributing to linear physics over time. Mental health. Yoga offers numerous mental health benefits by integrated physical postures, breathing technique, and meditation practice. It reduces stress and anxiety and depression by promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Regular yoga practice and self-esteem and improve emotional well-being. It fosters mental clarity, concentration, and resilience, helping individuals cope with life challenge more effectively. Physical health. Yoga offers a multitude of physical health benefits. It improves flexibility, strength, and balance through a variety of poses that engage different muscle groups. Regular practice enhances cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, and improves respiratory function. Yoga promotes better posture, reduces the risk of injury, and aids in weight management by increasing metabolism and promoting mindful eating habits. Digestive system. Yoga can significantly benefit the digestive system. Certain yoga poses, such as twist and forward bends, help stimulate digestion by massaging and compressing the abdominal organs, promoting better nutrients absorption and waste elimination. Additionally, yoga encourages relaxation and reduces stress, which can apply symptoms of digestive disorder like bloating, indigestion, and irritable bowel syndrome. Stress reduction. Yoga is a powerful tool for stress reduction. Through a combination of physical postures, controlled breathing, and mindfulness practice, yoga helps to calm the nervous system and reduce stress hormones like cortisol. Gentle stretching and movement release tension in the body, promoting relaxation and easing muscle stiffness caused by stress. Deep breathing technique, such as diaphragmatic breathing and alternate nose-still breathing, activate the body's relaxation responses, inducing a state of calmness and tranquility. Regular yoga practice fosters resilience to stress and promotes overall well-being. Mood fresh. Yoga offers immediate mood-boosting benefit through its combination of physical movement, deep breathing, and mindfulness. The release of endorphins during yoga creates feelings of happiness and well-being, while the practice promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Lungs benefit. Yoga for several benefits for the lungs. Through deep breathing exercises like pranayama, yoga strength, respiratory muscles, and increased lungs capacity, improving oxygen intake and efficiency breathing technique promote better respiratory function, enhancing lungs health and reducing the risk of respiratory condition like asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Regular yoga practice fosters optimal lungs function and supports overall respiratory well-being. The basic rules of yogas. 1. Start slowly and listen to your body, respecting its limits and avoiding overexertion. 2. Focus on proper alignment in each pose to prevent injury and maximize benefits. 3. Breathe deeply and mindfulness, coordinating breath with movement for a more effective practice. 4. Stay present and focused on the present moment, letting go of distraction and thought. 5. Honor your body's needs by mood fine poses or taking breaks as needed. 6. Practice regularly and with consistency to experience the full benefit of yoga.